Hey Zyger fam, so I just wanted to make this video before you make your first DIY flax seed gel, because most videos online right now will teach you to boil your flax seeds in water before a gel will form. It's true, because even my video about flaxseed has you boiling it. Well, when you learn better, you do better, right? So I recently came across some research that showed you can get more nutritional value from the flax seeds if you cold press. So I wanted to put this video together just to demonstrate how I did it and how I'm gonna start doing it from now on, just so you can get the optimum value from your DIY natural hair care ingredients. So let me know what you think in the comments. Have you ever made flaxseed gel, and what process did you take to make it? Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.